Let me tell you what Mario Cristobal did. Mario Cristobal went out and got a real offensive coordinator in Shannon Dawson, who's the latest in the Hal Mumming, Mike Leach, Dana Holgerson air raid scheme, and he brought that. Billy wasn't willing to do that. Billy wants to do it his way with his pistol formation and his clapping and his shifting, and it doesn't work. And I think the stubborn Billy Napier, a good man who's well-intended, who is stubborn to the core, is going to cost him his job, and that's why Florida got rolled the other day. I really believe that.